Okay, episode 5 was rough, but what did Torgo Nudho mean, and why did Danny call Grey Worm that? So episode 5 is over with, and my review for that is rendering right now, so if you're looking for that, it should be out in the next hour or two, hopefully. But I know a lot of people were asking me, what was that name that Danny called Grey Worm during that scene when Danny gave Grey Worm Missandei's collar, the only thing that she brought over from Essos?
Liksom Torgo Nudho. Seria Dragon Botas.
It did seem a little bit weird at first. If you don't know High Valyrian, maybe Grey Worm picked a new name when he decided he wanted to go with Missandei and explore the world and have a life outside of being a general in Danny's army. And maybe Danny knew that. Maybe she knew his name and knew that him and Missandei wanted to be free of this life. Missandei was pretty sure that if she told Danny, hey, I want to go, she would wish me well and give me a ship.
Of course, you're serving her now, aren't you?
I serve my queen because I want to serve my queen. Because I believe in her.
And if you wanted to sail home to Narth tomorrow?
Then she would give me a ship and wish me good fortune.
You believe that?
I know it.
So if you were super confused why she called Grey Worm that, she was actually just speaking High Valyrian and calling Grey Worm Grey Worm. So instead of saying Grey Worm in the common tongue, she said Grey Worm in High Valyrian. That's all it meant. There wasn't any deeper meaning to it, and I actually liked her talking to him in that language versus the common tongue, even though it was hilarious to see Tyrion trying to speak in their language and the Unsullied going, we speak common tongue. I feel like some people can relate. People trying to speak their language and you just going, hey, I can speak in your language, it's okay, you're really butchering this. Okay, so I just wanted to clear that up really quick. My episode 5 review is coming out in a jiffy. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.